How to make a stop motion video on CapCut. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up CapCut. Click on Add New Project. Select a video and click to edit. Once you are there, click on the Edit option from the bottom left list of options. After that, click on Style. From here, scroll the tabs till you find Face Swap. From there, click on the Auto Velocity option. Wait for it to be applied. Once it has been applied, feel free to adjust it using the option at the bottom. After that, you can continue to edit your video just like you usually do. And once you're done, go ahead and export it. So that was it for this video. That's how to make a stop motion video on CapCut. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.